Hey everyone, this is John from AAAFx, and in this short video I'm going to show you the account history tab in the terminal window of MetaTrader 4. So, at the terminal window at the bottom of your screen right here, now if it's not visible for you, all you got to do is click View and make sure Terminal is selected. When you're there, you have the Trading tab, Exposure tab, and then the Account History tab. So if we click that, we're just going to make it a little bit bigger so it's easier to see. You can see the account history for your account essentially. And you can sort this by different dates. So if you want to do all the history, that would be from the beginning of your account creation. You do last 3 months, last month, or a custom period, for example, if you just want to see today. So here you can see we've entered 2 trades today. The time of the trade, the type, if it was a buy, trade, sell order, the lot size, the symbol for the euro, US dollar, the price point we entered at, the stop loss and take profit that we had set, and the time of the closure, the price point of the closure, and the end result, so the profit or loss. And that's pretty much it. You can obviously save it as a report as well if you want to export it for tax reasons or whatever it might be. You can also see, just by clicking this, commissions, for example, you can see how much this trade actually cost us in terms of commission. Taxes, this is not going to apply for everyone. And comments, if you did have a comment on your actual trade. So when you enter a trade, you can leave a comment, for example, just to remind you if you say, aha, if it's a different strategy than normal, you might want to put a little comment down so you can, when you're looking through all your past trades, you can say, oh yeah, that trade was because of XYZ or whatever it might be. And that's pretty much it. Very, very simple, but very effective. It's something you will be using on a daily basis as a trader. So I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you again very soon. Take care.